Hi guys, how are you guys all doing? I feel like I want to start asking you guys, how are you doing? Let me know in the comments. Are you having a good day, bad day, normal day, boring day? Let me know. I'm having kind of a boring day, I guess, which is why I didn't want to just do like a regular vlog, because there's not much to vlog today. There's like nothing to vlog, honestly, except for the fact that Gracie's going to the groomer, so she's gonna have a nice little haircut. I'm just waiting for a call back to go pick her up, but actually I can't pick her up until Chase has his nap because he just fell asleep, so I'll be picking her up after he wakes up. But anyway, yeah, I didn't want to just do like a regular vlog because there's nothing going on today, but I've been wanting to do a TJ Maxx haul because I bought a few things from TJ Maxx, and every time I like try to add it into the video, it like makes my regular vlog way too long. Or I was thinking about doing just a normal haul video, but then I was like, that's kind of boring, like just to make that a video on its own. So I decided to do something. What am I trying to say? I decided that for this video I just want to do like a little haul in the beginning of the video, and then just do like a vlog style cleaning or something like that, because I have some random things that I need to clean. I have a ton of laundry that I need to do because for some reason I just didn't do laundry for like 4 days or something, and it just like piled up on me. It was probably more than 4 days. I don't know what happened. So yeah, I have a ton of laundry to do and some random things that I want to clean, like the toaster. We use a toaster like every day, and every day I look at it and I'm like, I really need to clean that. So I'm gonna do some cleaning. So I figure I'll, yeah, make this like a haul slash cleaning video. So I'm gonna go get the stuff from TJ Maxx because I want to show you guys what I got. I don't know, I just like to show what I got and talk about what I got, so I'm gonna do that. All right, so here's what I got from TJ Maxx. Actually, one thing is from Marshalls. Everything else is from TJ Maxx. This is the one thing that I got from Marshalls. I just got Chase a pair of cute little Crocs. Sometimes they get these in, and if you're ever there and you see that they have them, just buy them, even if it's not like warm enough for them yet, because they're just gonna be gone. So I got him a pair, and I got him a size 7, and they fit him right now. So I'm really hoping that by the time it warms up that they'll still fit him. If not, I was gonna say I'd exchange them, but like I just said, they probably don't have any left. So maybe I'll just keep them for the next child or something. But I got those for him. I love those. Those are perfect for the summer, just so you can get them wet and splash in puddles and just get dirty, and then we could just rinse them off when we come back inside. Next thing I got was also for Chase, and this is all from TJ Maxx now. But I got him 2 new snack catcher cups. He only has 1 of these right now, and the thing is just like worn out, so snacks just fall out of it. So that's not very helpful, because the whole point of this is to keep the snacks in, and when the snacks come out, what's the point? So yeah, I got him 2 new ones, which we really needed, and I got these for $4. I thought that was a really good deal. I was excited for that. And then the next thing I got is also for Chase, and it's a little bathing suit. Super cute. It's got whales on it. It's got long sleeves, which I really like. Chase has really pale skin, like Greg, and he'll probably burn easily. Last year he didn't get any burns because I like slathered the lotion on him or whatever, so did good last year, but can't help to be extra precautious. Precautious? I don't know which one to use there. But yeah, adorable. And this is Carter's brand, and it was, how much did I pay for this? $13, I think? Yeah, $13, so that was a good deal too. Always good deals at TJ Maxx and Marshalls. Next thing is just a workout shirt. I'm trying to build my stash of workout shirts. This one has like really long armholes. I don't understand the need to show off your sports bra all the time. Like, so many of the clothes just have like cutouts everywhere, and just like huge armholes and like weird strappy stuff, and I just don't understand it. I don't know, but I need some more workout clothes, especially for like the summer. And I got this one too. These are like my 2 favorite colors. These are my favorite colors. Right here, this is it. Mint and coral, love it. That one's just short sleeves, and this one was $8. That's pretty good, and this one was also $8. So I got that, and then I got Madison a pair of cute little pink capri pants. I think those are so adorable. They're like cuffed on the bottom. I really hope they fit her. She hasn't tried them on yet, and I hope that she likes them. These are also $8, and they're like Children's Place brand. I really hope she likes them, but she's got this thing going on where all she wants to wear is like black stretchy pants. they have to be, well, she'll wear other colors, but she really loves like black stretchy pants because she says they go with everything. She doesn't have to figure out how to match clothes, or like wonder if it matches or whatever. So I don't know, I showed these to her and she was like, I don't really like the button. It's not a button, it's a snap, but it still might be kind of hard for her to do, like if she's at school or something. So I don't know, we'll see how these work. If not, I'll get her something else. And then I'm really excited about this, you guys. Wait till you see what I'm so excited about. Being an adult is exciting. I got a new shower curtain and I'm really excited about this because of the material. It feels like it will be very good for like repelling water and stuff. The one that I have right now is kind of like this, but it's not like as swishy as this material. I feel like that one kind of like absorbs more water rather than letting it run off, and that one's just gotten like so yellow just over the months or whatever. And I tried cleaning it and it works a little bit, but it never really looks great. So I got us a new one. I'm really excited because it looks like it's going to be a lot better. And I love just like plain white shower curtains, especially in that bathroom because it's so small. And I don't like the plastic shower curtains because they just get so like water buildup and like white stuff all over it. I hate that. So yeah, I always go for this kind of thing. So I got that, and this was a really good deal. Can you guys see that? It says $7. I think that was focused. And that's it in my bag. The other two things that I got were new towels, which I already washed. They're just little hand towels for the bathroom. I kind of have like this color and pink going on in there because I got the pink tile in there. I think it looks cute together. So I got those. And the last thing I got, I'm also really excited for, is a new candle. It's a spring candle because I just want spring to come, and a few weeks ago it felt like spring was going to be here. Then we got 2 feet of snow, so I don't really know what the frick is going on right now, but I still have my hopes up that I'll be able to burn this candle soon. And this is one of the brands that I really like from Home Goods. It is DW Home. These I feel like are really good candles. I don't know where, like what store they sell this in, but this one smells so good too. I got it in Tranquil Lotus. I think a lotus is a flower, right? Yeah. I don't know if it smells like a lotus, but it smells good to me. But I really like these because as soon as I light it, like within minutes, it's like smelling up the room that I'm in. And I don't know if you guys have had the same experience as I've had, but I used to buy Yankee Candle from Home Goods and TJ Maxx and Marshalls. And I don't know, just like from like months ago, I would be like burning, I'd like pick one of my Yankee candles and burn it. I'd be burning it, and I'm like not smelling anything. And it's just very like faint, if anything. So I kind of stopped burning them when I was trying to find like better candles, and I discovered this one. Let me show you a candle that I do not like that's also from Home Goods. They also have this brand, Sensational, and I don't know, it smells good, but when I burn it again, it's just like very faint. Like this just smells a lot stronger and like smells up the room faster, I feel like. So I always tend to go for this brand, DW Home. So yeah, so that's all the stuff that I got from TJ Maxx, and that took up kind of a lot of time, I think. So it's a good thing that I don't have very much else to put in this video except for some random cleaning that I'm gonna do. So you guys can stick around for that, and also I'll show you Gracie's new haircut when I get her back. So yeah, what am I gonna do now? I don't know. I'm probably gonna clean the toaster because I'm tired of looking at it. So here is the status of my toaster. Let's get up close and personal here. Look at the inside of it. Can you see that? It's not gonna focus in there. There's crumbs all down inside and just like crumbs all around it, and it just needs to be like wiped down. So yeah, and we use our toaster like every single day pretty much, and every day I cook toast in this, and I tell myself that I need to clean it. I'm gonna clean it, and this is what I'm gonna use to clean it. I'm gonna use a toothbrush, which is going to be deemed the toaster toothbrush after this, and a butter knife. What am I gonna do with the butter knife, you ask? I'm gonna stick it inside and loosen up all those crumbs inside. I already tested it the other day to see if it was gonna work, and it works all right. I think I can get a lot of those crumbs out. So yeah, let's clean a toaster. So I got a lot of crumbs out, as you can see. But it's not all of them. I mean, it looks a lot better, but it's definitely not all of them. I got a lot of crumbs all over the counter too. I made a big mess. Now I need to clean the outside of it and that tray. I think that's better. I mean, it's not perfect. Still has like these weird, like, I don't know what that is on the side. Like, I don't know, the stainless steel looks weird, but whatever, it looks better than it did before. Maybe I should clean this too while I'm at it. This is so annoying to clean. I can't get the stuff, I can't get it off. Like, that is still in there. It's not coming off. Now it's all soapy. I just need to get the soap off of here and then go get Gracie. This was a fail. Don't clean this part. Who cares about this part? Clean the inside part. Maybe the outside of this, but not the inside. I mean, just don't look at that. Just don't look at it. So I just picked up Gracie from the groomer. She looks so nice. Come here. There you go. There's Gracie. She always looks so good after she gets groomed. I love it. I always say you're like a new dog. You look so pretty. Is that Gracie? Huh? Yeah? Be nice to Gracie. Good boy. Yeah. Nice to Gracie. Good boy. Madison's home from school now. They're both having a snack, or she was having a snack. Chase is having a snack. The living room is, the floor is like pretty clean in here. I just have to pick up like his stuffed animals. And that's it. I'm gonna vacuum it really quick while he's in his chair while there's nothing on the floor. Oh my god, I need to clean this. Never mind. I need to clean the vacuum. I need to clean like the thing on the bottom that spins. I have to clean this part of the vacuum. There's a lot of hair trapped in there and like pieces of our old rug. Normally I'm more on top of this and I clean it. I don't think it's been like that long, but it's been a few times of vacuuming and I haven't cleaned it. So I gotta clean that before I can try to vacuum with my vacuum. So what I love about this vacuum too is it has like these little grooves in this thing where you can like slide a pair of scissors in there and just like cut everything out. Makes it super easy to clean it. Much better. I still have to get this, like this stuff off of the bristles, but it's pretty good. It's good enough for right now. I'm having some dinner. It's leftover chili and Scoops chips. So good. Alright, so finally everybody's in bed. It's 8:45. I didn't do as good on the laundry today as I was hoping. I only got 2 loads done and 1 still in the dryer, so I'm gonna fold this one. It's a bunch of socks and underwear, so I don't think I'm gonna record that, but I'm gonna do this and then take a shower and edit this video. And I hope you guys liked this video. I think I liked it better than just like a regular vlog when I'm not really doing anything. Gives it more of a point to the video, so If you liked it, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you want to see more videos like this. And thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.